Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture on the GATE 2025 Mathematics. Today I will explain you how you can solve the linear algebra problems with the help of the shortcut tricks. Myself Dr. Harish Garg. You can follow my YouTube channel where you can find the playlist of the CSRNet and the GATE Mathematics. You can see I had uploaded the partial differential equation, linear programming problem, differential equation and many more lectures related to the GATE 2025 in this playlist. You can follow this playlist and watch these 301 videos so far, which will help you to crack the examinations simple manner. Now, always remember students, your target is to solve the problem within the 1 minute in the examinations. This is always your target. If you are able to achieve to solve the question within a 1 minute, then you will be qualified the examination with the full confidence. Fine. How you can solve any of the questions, whether it's a question number 23, whether it's a 27, whether it's a 31, and many more are there. How you can solve each question within the 1 minute. For that, you must watch about this playlist. It will help you to crack the examinations and get the answer again in a very shortcut tricks. Always remember, before I just start with them, let me give you the one simple tips. Whenever you will see the question is related to the matrix, always solve the problem with the help of the eigen values. अब कभी भी कोई भी क्वेश्चन अगर आपको मैट्रिक्स के ऊपर दिखाई दे, हमेशा हमेशा एंड हमेशा ही उसे आइगन वैल्यू से सॉल्व करिए. फाइन. So let's see how you can solve this question. First of all, it's a 2 cross 2. So let's say M has the eigenvalue lambda 1 and lambda 2. M inverse has the eigenvalue 1 over lambda 1, 1 over lambda 2. Then can you find the characteristics equations of the matrix M? X square minus trace of the matrix plus determinant of the matrix. Similarly, for the second case, it's a M inverse. So what is the M inverse is? X square, trace of the matrix. So the trace will be 1 over lambda 1, 1 over lambda 2 plus determinant. Fine. Now, as per the given statement, the difference is my constant. When the difference is my constant, only because this will be cancelled out if you take the difference. Fine, this is a plus. When it will be the constant, when the coefficient of this, that means minus plus this value must be 0, then only it will be the constant. Now you can solve that. It will be lambda 1 plus lambda 2, which is equal to divided by here. Is it okay? Now what does it mean? It means sum of the eigenvalue will be 0 or product of the eigenvalue is my 1. Fine. So this is the condition. Now you can see that what is the meaning of the sum of the eigenvalue? That is the trace of the matrix is my 0 or determinant is my 1. Either of the condition will be satisfied, you will get the right answer. So trace is not a 0, determinant 15 minus 14, 1. Trace is not a 0, 6 minus 4 not equal to 1. Trace is 0. Trace is not a 0, but the determinant is minus 15 plus 16. So the right answer is A, C, D are my right answer of this problem. It's a very simple question. The same question already I have explained in my last series of the PYQ, that is called as the linear algebra. You can see this last minute revision of the linear algebra. Fine. Chaliye, look at the next one. Again, this question is related to the matrix. So I can solve the problem with the help of the eigens value. Remember students, if you watch these questions in the examinations and your reaction will be look like say this, believe me, it is one of the easiest question. Fine. How? You can see the characteristics polynomial is given to you and it is a 7 cross 7. So that means the degree of this characteristics equation alpha plus beta plus 2, it must be 7. Fine. So that implies alpha plus beta must be 5. Is it okay? Then your target is to find the minimal polynomial. So whenever you are talking about the minimal polynomial, your target is to find the geometric multiplicity. So can you find the eigenvalues? What are the eigenvalues? Eigenvalues are 1, 2, 3. These are my eigenvalues. Now, what is the meaning of the alpha? Algebraic multiplicity of the 1 is alpha. Algebraic multiplicity of the eigenvalue 2 is my beta. Algebraic multiplicity of the eigenvalue 3 is my 2. Fine. Algebraic multiplicity is always be greater than or equal to geometric multiplicity. Fine. Now how you can find the geometric multiplicity? Geometric multiplicity is nothing but the nullity. So you can see the rank of the eigenvalue 1 is my 5. So what is the nullity? Nullity is my, by using the rank nullity theorem, 7 minus 5 is 2. So that means the geometric multiplicity is my 2. Similarly, geometric multiplicity of the 2 is also 2. Geometric multiplicity of the eigenvalue 3 is also 2. Fine. Now what does it mean? Alpha is greater than equal to 2, beta is greater than equal to 2, and 2 is greater than equal to 2. Also, alpha plus beta is equal to 5. So what does it mean? What are the possible pairs? Either the 4, 1, either the 3, 2, either the 2, 3, but 2, 3 cannot be possible because alpha is greater than beta. Fine. Alpha is 4, 4 satisfied, but 1 is not satisfied, beta is greater than 2. So that means alpha must be 3, beta is my 2. Is it okay? Now, so characteristics polynomial will be x minus 1 cube, x minus 2 square, x minus 3, 2. Is it okay? So if I quickly recall you, geometric multiplicity of the 1 is 3. Geometric multiplicity of the 1 is my 2. Is it fine? Geometric multiplicity of the eigenvalue 2, algebraic multiplicity of the eigenvalue 2, both are my 2. And similarly, geometric multiplicity of the eigenvalue 3, algebraic multiplicity of the eigenvalue 3 is my 2. Now, can you write the minimal polynomial? So now I think that's a very simple minimal polynomial of the x. So eigenvalue must be the same. Now you can see the power. What does the meaning of that? It means there is a one block of 2 cross 2. Again the same are there, so there will be the one block of degree 1. There is a difference between them, so it will be my 2. Fine. और आप इसे कैसे देख सकते हो? You can see if you write the matrix, it's a 1 1 1 2 2 and 3 3. यही बनेगा ना मैट्रिक्स आपकी. इट इज अ 0, इट इज अ 0. अब इसका क्या मतलब है? 3 ज्योमेट्रिक मल्टीप्लिसिटी इज 2, मतलब एक ब्लॉक आपको 2 क्रॉस 2 का मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. ज्योमेट्रिक मल्टीप्लिसिटी तो एक ही ब्लॉक मिला आपको, तो इसकी पावर 1 होगी. सिमिलरली अलजेब्रिक मल्टीप्लिसिटी एंड ज्योमेट्रिक मल्टीप्लिसिटी ऑफ द 2 आर सेम, और ज्योमेट्रिक मल्टीप्लिसिटी कितनी है आपकी? 2. तो इसका मतलब एक तो आपको 2 क्रॉस 2 का ब्लॉक बनाना ही होगा. तो एक ब्लॉक बना आपका जॉर्डन ब्लॉक, सो दैट इज माय 1. ज्योमेट्रिक मल्टीप्लिसिटी ऑफ दी 1 कितना है? 2. तो एक ब्लॉक आपको पहले 2 का बनाइए आप. ये 2 का बन गया और एक ब्लॉक आपको अलग से बन जाएगा. तो कितने जॉर्डन ब्लॉक बने 1 के ऊपर? 2 ब्लॉक्स. फाइन. अब आपको क्या पूछा है इन्होंने? 5 पे आंसर पूछा है. तो 5 का आंसर कितना होगा? 5 minus 1 4, 4 square, 5 minus 2 3, 5. So that will be 6. 96 is the right answer of this problem. Fine. So that is basically defined as the Jordan blocks. So how you can define the Jordan blocks? You can see the geometric multiplicity is 2. तो 2 क्रॉस 2 का एक ब्लॉक पहले बनाइए आप. फाइन. इसके बाद तो कोई और बचा ही नहीं, तो एक ही ब्लॉक बना, पावर 1. ज्योमेट्रिक मल्टीप्लिसिटी ऑफ द आइगन वैल्यू 2 इज माई 2, तो एक 2 क्रॉस 2 का भी ब्लॉक बनाइए. ज्योमेट्रिक मल्टीप्लिसिटी ऑफ द 1 इज माई 2, तो एक पहले 2 क्रॉस 2 का ब्लॉक बनाइए और एक ब्लॉक आपके पास एक्स्ट्रा बचा, सो दैट विल बी 2 ब्लॉक्स 1 and so on. So 96 is my right answer. Okay, look at this. V is the vector space, consists of all those bounded solutions. So can you find the solution of this problem? Plus 2m square plus 1 is 0. So that give you m square plus 1 is 0. that will give you plus minus iota. Fine. So can you write the solution? So this will be C1 plus C2x of cos x plus C3 C4x into sin x. Now your target is to look out only for the bounded case, and x belongs to the R. So clearly say this x is my unbounded. Fine. This x is also unbounded. Fine. So आपको solution क्या चाहिए? Only bounded. When it will be the bounded? It will be the bounded only when C2 and C4 both must be 0. Then only your y will be C1 cos x, C3 sin x, and you can see this is my bounded solution. So how many arbitrary constants? Arbitrary constants are my 2. So the dimension of the problem is my 2 is the right answer of the problem. Fine. And I am very sure that this problem is very simple for you, and your reaction, if your reaction in the examination is look like say this picture, and now your reaction will be look like say smiling face. Don't forget to like and comment on this video as well. Chaliye, look at this next one. M2 is a matrix. Again, it's a matrix. I can solve with the help of the eigen value. First of all, T is the matrix from the M2 to M2. Can you find the dimension of this matrix? It's a 4. Dimension of this matrix is 4. So therefore, capital T is my 4 cross 4 matrix. Fine. Now, how you can find the matrix values? So you can start from the basic elements like 1, 0, 0. You can substitute them and write the column. But why there is a need of them? You can solve this problem within the 15-second time periods. How? You can see that. First of all, matrix is given as a Ax into B. Fine. Can you find the eigenvalues of the matrix A? So that will be lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 6. So the eigenvalues of the matrix is my 3 and 2. Fine. Similarly, can you find the eigenvalues of the matrix B? This is for the matrix B. This is for the matrix A. So that will be lambda square minus 5 lambda minus 6 plus 10. Minus 6 plus 10 is a 4. So the eigenvalues are my 1 and 4. Fine. These are the eigenvalues of the A. These are the eigenvalues of the B. So can you find the eigenvalues of the matrix T? T is a multiplication. A, X is my standard basis. A into B. So 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 4, 12. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 4, 8. So once you know the eigenvalues, you can clearly say the determinant is my non-zero. So A is invertible matrix satisfied. Can you find the trace of the matrix? So the trace will be 15 plus 10, 25. That is the correct answer. Fine. The rank of the P square. Now can you find the eigenvalue of the P square? So this is the basically P is a matrix corresponding to the T. Fine. So can you find the eigenvalue of the P square? P square will be 9, 144, 4, 64. Now what is the meaning of the P square minus 4? Your target is to find the P square minus 4i. So clearly say 4 is the eigenvalue of the P square. Fine. And this is my 4 cross 4 matrix. So definitely the rank is not equal to 4. Why? Because P square minus 4i, it will be 0 matrix because 4 is eigenvalue. So if the rank is not equal to 4, that will be, what is the rank of this matrix? Rank will be my 3 because there is only one 4. The rank is 4 is the wrong answer. Look at the third option or fourth option, P minus 2i. P minus 2i. So P has the eigenvalue. 2 is one of the eigenvalue. So that means this value will be 0. So that means the rank of the matrix is my 3 because P only occurring one times. Then what is the nullity of the matrix? P minus 2i. 4 minus 3, which is 1. But he said 0. So this option is also cancelled. A and B are my right answer of this problem. Fine. There is no need to find the value of the matrix A and then start with the basic and then write the matrix B and then multiply them and calculate the matrix T. There is no need. हमेशा याद रखिए, whenever you will see the matrix, always try to get the answer in terms of eigenvalues. And very surprisingly, I will tell you the similar question, the same question asked in the CSIR net 2025 as well. And if you are interested to watch that question, you can watch my this part 3rd of the CSIR net Feb 2025. You can watch about this CSIR net Feb 25 first, second, third part. You will see the same question, similar question asked, and I had also solved the same question with the help of eigenvalues. उम्मीद करता हूं आप कमेंट्स और लाइक जरूर करेंगे वीडियो पे. Okay, look at this next one. Consider the inner product space of the continuous functions such that -1 to +1 f and g, where is the orthogonal. What is the meaning of the orthogonal? Dot product will be 0. That's the inner product is my 0 of all those polynomial of degree less than equal to 3. So what are the bases? 1, x, x square, x cube. Fine. So now you can write the equations. So firstly, if you taken as a 1 and p is my this function, q is my 1, so the dot product will be left hand side will be 0. Integration from, so it will be 2 alpha, that is alpha plus beta over 3 minus 6 is equal to 0. If you consider this is my x, if you multiply this by x, then it is my odd function, and -1 to 1 integration of the odd function is 0 because p is my even function. Fine. And when you integrate from -1 to 1 p into g, it is a 0 if g is my odd function. So x will be 0, x cube will be 0. Now you can multiply this by x square and then integrate from -1 to 1. It's alpha x square, alpha x cube by 3. So it's alpha over 3 plus power 4, beta over 5, power 6. So 6 means 30 over 7 is my 0. Fine. So I can solve these equations. Let me write here. So it will be alpha plus beta over 3 is equal to 6. I can multiply by 3. It is 3 beta over 5, which is equal to 90 over 7. Fine. Now you can subtract them. It is cancel out. So it is 1 over 3 minus 3 over 5. 5 minus 9 minus 4 over 15 into beta. It is 42 minus 90 over 7. So that will be 40 minus 48 over 7. So it is 12. It is 180 divided by 7. Fine. So can you find the value of alpha? So alpha will be 6 minus beta divided by 3, 60 over 7. 42 minus 60, so minus 18 over 7. So what is your right answer? Alpha plus 5 beta plus 5 into this 5 into 180 over 7. So minus 18 over 7 I can take as a common. So it is 10, 50 over 7. Fine. So it is my 743. Sorry, it's a 10, 50, 50 over 7. So it will be minus 18 over 7. It is minus 43 over 7. Is it fine? Sorry, it is only 18. 7 is already common. So it is minus 49. Fine. So minus 49. So you can say 7. So it will be minus 18 into minus 7. So 8 7 is 56. 7 5 126 is my right answer of this problem. Okay, look at this another one. Remember, if your reaction for this problem is my oof in the examination, believe me, I will change your reaction to be wow after you can watch this solution. And believe me, once you will watch this solution, put a comments in the video and let me know whether you have changed your thought process from the oof to wow or not. First of all, it's a matrix. Fine, I can solve the problem with the help of eigenvalue. Is it okay? Now, can you write the matrix corresponding to this? So it's a quadratic 2, 2, 3. x1, x2, 2 and 2. x1, x3, 1, 1. x2, x3, 1, 1. Is it fine? Then, can you find the eigenvalues of the matrix M? Is it possible for you? So now you can see the sum of each row is my 5. So you have the 3 eigenvalues, one eigenvalue is my 5. Is it okay? Sum of each row is my 5. So one eigenvalue is my 5. Now, can you find the other 2 eigenvalues? We know that trace is my 7. You can see the first 2 rows are same. So that means the determinant of the eigenvalue is my 0. If the determinant is 0, one of the eigenvalue is also 0. And the third eigenvalue you can find from the trace. So what is that trace? It's a 7. So the third eigenvalue is my 2. Is it okay? Now, I need a m plus. So I can consider A is my m plus I3. So can you find the eigenvalues of the A? M plus I3. So what is the eigenvalue of the I3? Eigenvalues are I3 are 1, 1 and 1. So what is the eigenvalue of the A? 6, 1, 3. Is it okay? Fine. Now you can see what is the AN. AN is my Y transpose A raised to power n plus 1 of Y divided by Y transpose A raised to power n of Y. And your target is to find the limit as n approaches infinity. Now look at this term very closely. कुछ दिमाग में आ रहा है, कुछ ऐसा है. What is the meaning of that? The numerator is look like say xn plus 1 over xn. Fine. तो ये क्या है? These are related to the eigenvalues. So क्या ये power method नहीं बना आपका? Is it a power method of the numerical analysis? पावर मेथड किसके लिए काम आता है? आइगन वैल्यूज के काम आता है और मैंने आइगन वैल्यूज निकाल दी. फाइन. न्यूमेरिकल एनालिसिस. So whenever we are talking about because as n approaches infinity, so that will give you the maximum eigenvalue. Fine, because the power method will give you the maximum eigenvalue. So what is the maximum eigenvalue in the magnitude? In the magnitude is my 6. So the right answer of this problem is 6 is the correct answer. So this is the question which is related to the quadratic form plus power method of the numerical analysis. And you can see this is nothing but the ratio of the 2 eigens value. Fine, in the 2 consecutive steps. And whenever n approaches infinity, that means you are talking about the steady state base. That means it will converge to the largest eigenvalue. So the power method will converge to the largest. That's a 6 is my right answer of this problem. Fine. I hope your reaction will be look like say wow, how you can solve this question with the help of the eigenvalue. Always remember student, always remember whenever you will see any question related to the matrix, always solve with the help of eigens value. If you are new to my YouTube videos, you must watch about my this lecture PYQ of the matrix. You will be PY question of the eigenvalue. All are available free of cost in my this playlist. You will be learn many shortcut tricks through these videos. You can see all these questions with the help of the eigenvalue. I have solved them. Till then, I will upload the next video very soon on the numerical analysis. Till then, you can subscribe my YouTube channels and comment on the video. Best of luck students. Happy learning.